boys and girls, and welcome to Girl Guitar. I have a nice song here from Hulvey called Top Spinnin'. Alright, so it's a very cool music video that really caught my eye. There are propellers and bicycle wheels that are spinning around this one. I really love the graphics in this music video, so watch that one. Great song as well. So let's go into the tutorial, and we're gonna use a capo set on the second fret. That will be the easiest scenario for us. We have two chords. It goes back and forth between these two chords. So we're gonna switch between the E and the D major 7. All right. So put the capo on and let's go over the first E chord. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the next D major 7, it's just a short little bar on the second fret, and you cover 3 strings, the E, the B, and the G, all right? And then you also include the open D string. So open D, and then second G, second B, second E. That's D major 7. So you just go between the E and this, all right? Very easy. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have 2 different parts in the strumming, all right? So the E, you will play just down clap, okay? So, and then you switch chord to D major 7 and play this part. So that is basically to do down, down clap for 3 rounds. The first out of these rounds, you have down, down clap. Short delay between the 2 downs there, so down, down clap. And then you have down, down clap, down, down clap on the next 2 rounds. And that makes up for 1 chord progression round, so to speak. So E to D major 7, the E was down clap. And then the first down, down clap on the D major was a delay between the 2 downs. And then and that's it. Top Spinnin'. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.